Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 2 is daydreams. Daydreams means what you know, students? The dreams. Dreams means after sleeping, we just have some dreams. We just imagine some new things. But here, the author is informing about the day dreams, the dreams which we see in the daytime. Okay, so this is our lesson number 2. We will start this lesson number 2. Can you see this image properly? Yes, okay. So lesson number 2, even page number 2, I'm going to start this lesson, day dreams. Yes. Now, first I'll read one paragraph and then I'll explain you. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. One day, the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. Now, as the lesson name itself is a day dreams, dreams which when we will sleep in the night, we can see the dreams. Yes. And those also sometimes we remember, but many times we forget our dreams. As we get up early in the morning, we even don't remember what we saw in our dreams. So here also the story is once there lived a couple. Whenever you are just attending this class, I request all of you to keep a notebook and pencil with you. Okay? So that the spellings or meanings which I explain you that you have to write in your notebook. Yes. So once there lived a couple. Couple means husband and wife. Both are called a couple. Okay? Like your parents, mummy, papa. We call them as couple. Father, mother. Combinedly, we will call them as a couple. So, once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. Idle means they used to spend a time. They used to talk each other. Idle time means they both used to talk each other. Means husband to wife and wife to husband. Okay. They used to spend a lot of time both. Who? The couple. Okay. One day the husband said, now here one day husband said to his wife, I have always wanted to keep cows. Means that husband was telling that I'm interested to keep too many cows with me. He required cows. He want to keep cows. Okay? Cows means guy. But I don't have extra money. Too much money we don't have. But whenever, wherever, if I'll get money, some extra money, if I will get, I will buy a few cows. I will buy few, at least a few. If I can't purchase more and more cows, but few, few means only you can say 12, 3, 4, okay, few. Many means more. Few means less cows. At least he wants to purchase because he wants to keep the cows with him. Okay? Yes. Once again, I will repeat this paragraph. there lived a couple and they used to actually spend time. They wants to talk to each other. So one day what happened? A husband was talking to his wife and he said that I'm too much interested to keep the cows, but I don't have extra money with me. And from where I will buy? No one will give me money and no one will give me the cows also without paying anything to them. So I decided whenever I will get some amount, at least few cows I will purchase. Okay, this is about a first paragraph. Now I'll come to the second paragraph. Okay, so here, but that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of cooking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. Now you see, in this paragraph, when in the first paragraph, when husband wants to keep some cows, so wife was listening to him, what her husband says here. Now the wife is telling, if you need few cows also, but you have to work a lot. You have to work more and more. Then only you will get some amount, some money to buy some cows. Okay? If you don't work, means now you see he is working, but he can just purchase daily groceries, what he needed. Groceries means what he wants both to eat for themselves. But if he want to purchase some cows, means he has to work a lot. Unless and until he is not going to work too much, is he going to get the extra money to purchase the few cows? No. Suppose, now you see, now in this lesson, I read the paragraph by paragraph. I will explain you and you understand. But what you have to do, what is your duty? You have to learn the question answers, exercises, everything. If suppose when school will decides that you are having your exam, so you have to little more, you have to work hard na. So like this way, wife is also telling the same thing to husband that you have to now increase your work. You have to do lot of work. More and more you have to do work. Then only you can get the extra amount to purchase few cows, because cows are little bit costly. But then also you have to feed them. Feed means you have to give some food to them. How? From where they will get? Cow purchasing is something aside. Here you have to make a plan. Suppose if you are purchasing a cow, you have to give them a food. You have to give them some this one grass and whatever their food they needed, that you only have to give them. So, and afterwards what happens? You have to just take them to a walk, and every after day, 2 days, 3 days, you have to take their bath also. Human beings takes every day bath, but for animals, we have to take their bath. Then only you can get some milk from the cows. So cow need a lot of looking. Okay, too much we have to take care of a cow. You see, whenever who is having the cows, you just go and check. Okay, there you will find in the castles also so many cows, but We have to take care of them. We have to take them for a walk. We have to feed them. Feed means we have to give them food. And we have to take their bath. Because they do dirtiness there only where they stands. Okay? And only what they will give? Milk. Yes, but we have to take care a lot for them. So I don't find that cow is such easy going thing. So now you have to just decide, instead of purchasing too many cows or few cows, it is better you just buy only one cow. What a wife is telling to husband, that you will not be able to purchase few cows, and it is too hard to look after them, because we are having too many responsibilities to look after them. We have to time give them the food. We have to take them for a walk. We have to take their bath, and we have to just take care of them so many times. We have to just call the doctor also to check the animals whether are they okay or not. So many things we have to just do it. So it's better, it will be too hard to take care of at least a few cows, but I suggest you to purchase only one cow. Okay? Who said this? Wife said to a husband. Okay? Now I'll read the third paragraph. But think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. Now you see, here husband is telling to wife, if suppose I will purchase only one cow will give the milk, which is not sufficient. So if I will purchase more cows, so they will give more milk. Yes, of course, they will give more milk. But are you able to purchase these many cows? No, because he don't have that much money to purchase the cows. But here husband is telling, I'm not satisfied with your thinking. I want to purchase more cows, because if I will purchase more cows, they will give me more milk. So I want to purchase many cows. Okay. Now next paragraph. What's going on in between husband and wife conversation? We will see. Okay. Now that's true. The wife agreed. Here you see, when husband said to wife that if I will purchase only one cow, so I will get a limited milk. If I will purchase more cows, I'll get more milk. So here wife says, yes, this is also true, whatever you are telling. Even I agree with you, means I accept. I agree means, yes, even I'm satisfied with your thinking. Yes, you are right. You are right. Who says? Wife to husband. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Would not it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I will use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, one for butter, the ghee. I will put in another jar, and I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. Now you see here. Here he says, that's true. Wife agreed. Somewhere wife agreed what the husband said. There will be so much milk. Yes, we will get If suppose we will purchase many cows, we will get more milk. And what we will do of that milk? We will have a plenty of dahi, curd. Yes, from milk, so many items can be made. है ना? Yes, so many items. Like many, all sweets need milk only. From milk, we can make sweets, curd, plus paneer, plus butter, plus ghee, these many things. And here, students, we need every day milk to drink also. Yes, we get protein from milk. So it is a better habit that every day you all should drink twice a day milk. 2 times in a day even we have to drink milk. So here when wife was agreed what the husband said, so she said, yes, we will get, I'm satisfied with your answer. Yes, if we will get more and more milk, we will have plenty means too much. Plenty. Here the meaning of plenty is too much. Dahi. Yes. From milk only we can make dahi. Dahi means curd. We will get butter. We'll get ghee also. Yes. Would not it be lovely? Yes, it is lovely because if we will get more milk, we will have these many things also. Dahi, butter, ghee, everything. So, is it lovely, no? Yes, even we eat dahi, ghee, butter, we need it. So, even we will get a lot of dahi, butter, ghee, paneer, so many things. Now you see, how lucky that I have all these earthen pots. Earthen pots means the pots which are made by a mud. Okay. So here the pots which are made here in this image also you can see the pots. Huh? Here small pots we will keep it for dahi, butter, ghee. But little bit big one we will use to put water, and in the summer season they provides us a chilled water. Yes, these are the earthen pots. These pots are called earthen pots. These are all made up of mud. Yes, and it is good for health also if we will just drink water by using these pots. Nowadays, we are actually using the fridge water to drink. It is very, we should not actually drink fridge water. We should use earthen pots water only to drink. So here he says, one pot, I'll just put a curd, in one pot butter, ghee, like this way, different pots I will fill, and we will just keep aside, and one by one pot we will use for milk also, because many cows if we will purchase, too much milk we will get. From that milk even we will fill the milk also in those earthen pots, and some we will use for putting ghee, dahi, curd, everything I will put in another jar. Means here ghee we cannot put it in the earthen pot. Those are the some different pots are there, but I can put the ghee in the jar also, and I will use this remaining pot, and I will send these remaining pot to my sister also. Yes, because if we will get plenty of all these things which are all made from milk, even we will be having more and more pots of milk. What we will do? We will just sell out, or we can give it to our relatives also. So like this way, here also she decided I'll give it to my sister when we will have the extra one, the remaining one which is left over, that pot I will send it to my sister. Okay, so this is lesson number 2. Here only I will stop, and I hope that better you understood this lesson. Now all of you just note down the homework. Okay. Here lesson number 2, daydreams. You have to read these paragraphs till where I explain you, and I will send you the hard words you have to write twice in your notebook. Understood? Is it clear, all of you? And suppose if you don't understand any word meaning or spelling, you just ask me. I will repeat it once again. Till that time, take precautions, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all of you for listening me. Goodbye.